Hi, I'm Will, a Baxi engineer. Myself or one of my colleagues will soon be coming to your home to do a service or repair. To ensure we're safe and the visit runs smoothly, there are a few things we would like you to be aware of to help us before and during the visit. On the morning of the visit, I'll ring you between 8 AM and 10 AM to give you an estimated arrival time or a time slot. If this is the first call of the day, I may call you the evening before the visit to ensure you're aware of my approximate time of arrival. Although this call will be shown from a withheld number, it's very important you answer the call so I can speak to the person who will be letting me into the property. If I can't get hold of you, this visit may be cancelled. When I arrive at your property, I need a safe and legal place to park my van that's not too far away, as I need to carry tools and equipment to complete the visit. It would be good if you could do some simple things in preparation for the visit, like opening doors to rooms I'll need to access, clearing work surfaces and clearing a nice clear pathway to the appliances. If your appliance is in the loft, we do ask that there's reasonable access to the loft, for example a suitable loft ladder and that there is secure flooring and adequate lighting. If you have a pet, please ensure they're safely secured away from the area I'll be working in. Finally, as I'll be working with gas and other potentially flammable equipment, can I ask you do not smoke during my visit. Thank you for watching this video to help keep me and my colleagues safe and make your visit run as smoothly as possible. We look forward to seeing you soon.